Well, hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. Welcome to another great video in our Movember series. Welcome to week 2. Well, I should say almost the end of week 2. I know, I'm a little behind, okay? So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to get past week 2 and not shave it off. Alrighty out there, guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, I'm going to take one single moment and speak to you first-time viewers of my channel. I'm going to thank you from the bottom of my heart for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube right now, especially during the week of Movember, with everyone wanting to give you help, tips, tricks, everything else. And I'm very, very grateful you chose my video. Now, I know your time is your most precious commodity, and I hope I'm going to earn a lot more of it today. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's your first chance at it, guys. Look right down below. Should see a little channel watermark popping up. Click on it, hover over it, whatever it takes to bring up subscribe. You're going to want to knock it out the way early, and here's why. Well, first of all, you're one of the first ones to get an exclusive look at my brand new Boston Scally Cap. That's not a reason to subscribe, but still, I just got it today. Kind of enjoying it. Figured I'd have its debut on the channel. But I like to attribute this channel to like a burning clown car. It's a whole bunch of fun. You never know what you're going to get, and I want all of you along for the ride. It's been very, very interesting to say the least, and it's because of all you wonderful people. Now, let's get on to the fun. Welcome to Movember week 2. Now, Movember was basically a thing started up, for people just going, hey, grow a mustache, show this, show that, blah. Well, essentially, the whole month of November is to focus on men's health issues, things like prostate cancer, any kind of cancer, health issues, and especially mental health. So, growing a little bit of facial hair to help raise awareness that there may be a brother in need, I think that's freaking awesome. Now, look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever. Right up there is going to be week 1 tips. Now that you move past week 1, let's talk about week 2 and what you need to do to help keep the man mane coming in. Hopefully, most of you are past the beard itch stage, okay? If you're not, keep pressing through, guys. That's the hardest part of growing a brand new beard. Seriously, the beard itch and a pissed off better half are the 2 quickest ways to make you lose your man mane. Now, tip number 1 I got for you, all right? And I think I've only got like really 6 for this video. Seriously, it's a recap of the very first video. Leave your man mane alone. Break up with the razor. Seriously, look at the razor in the mirror, and this is a safety razor, and just be like, it's not you, it's me, we're done. All right? Don't worry about trying to use it to line up, your beard lines, everything else. You're coming into week 2, so you should have a good little bit of growth. Now, it all depends on your coverage. I mean, not everyone is like the mayor from Dan C. Beardage channel, when he convinced his friend to grow a beard over the summer and they chronologized everything or put it in chronological order. That man has some unreal coverage and some unreal growth, okay? Mr. Mayor, I'm very jealous of you, buddy. And like we all told you, leave it alone. Leave the trimmers alone. Leave the razor alone. Let it grow. Seriously, just let it grow. And no, I'm not quoting Elsa out of Frozen. Just let the thing grow. Let it keep growing. Embrace it. Just make it yours. Fable Beard Company has this great thing. They say every beard has a story. And it's true because everybody's beard grows in differently. Everybody wants their beard to look differently. Me, I love a longer goatee look with, the sides coming up. I really love how it used to be, like hanging down the hair and the sides a little bit bushier. But hey, I buzzed it for the better half and it's growing back in quite nice. Now, second tip I got for you is beard oil. Never, ever, ever, ever stop using it. If you're growing your man mane, beard oil is the key. Now, guys, there's lots of great options out there, seriously. Like stuff from, Johnny Slicks, which we feature exclusively on this channel, it seems. I brought a lot of his stuff to the channel, so I can say exclusively. My boy Boston Mike over at Boston Beard Company, which kind of ties in with the hat today, huh, Mike? You little sawed-off bastard, you. He makes incredible stuff. But I will say, hands down, one of the most favorites I've brought to the channel is stuff by Chesapeake Beard Co. And especially this one, French Crush. Guys, Gary's son Kellen designed it, and seriously, as you can see right here, it says, created by Kellen to support Araya. I'm mentioning it in this one because if you're going to buy beard oil for the first time, head to beardcode.com. Matter of fact, up in that card, I showed you a little bit ago, there's an app for your phone. You can order it right from there. You want to look under the Araya project, and oils are gone, but I think he still has butters on there, and I'll get to that in a moment. They're not taking one bit of profit from anything from the Araya Strong Foundation. Well, not foundation, but the Araya Strong Project. Everything is going to help a little girl beat cancer. So sorry for that little segue. It's a great tie-in with Movember, helping people out. All right? Beard oil is your key for helping kill beard itch and helping that beard grow in big time. Guys, I've covered a lot of videos, but beard oil has 3 great uses. It's a vitamin supplement for your skin under your beard. It's going to soften up your beard, and it's going to leave that great scent profile behind in your beard. Now let's move on to beard butter, which is my 3rd tip. By this point, hopefully you can pinch your beard and pull it a little. If you can, you're ready for beard butter. Seriously, flat out you are. Now, beard butter is a very, very wonderful, just nutritional, hydrating, light hold. Just, it's not a balm, it's a butter. It's really, really smooth, okay? Primarily, you use it at night. That way, it locks in the moisture, it helps hydrate the beard, it helps soothe everything, it helps things grow wonderfully. You can use it during the day. It's got a very light hold in the man mane. Now, I'm going to show you a couple examples. You know, Fable Beard Co., theirs kind of looks like that. You know, whew, God, it still smells incredible. My boy, you know, Boston Mike, his looks like that. You know, it's the holiday one that we've already covered. One of the ones that I'm getting into recently, seriously I am, is from Barker's Beards. And theirs is more of a really, really whipped kind of butter. And man, you really don't want to sleep on this company. You don't. But some of the best all-around butters that I have used, yep, Chesapeake Beard Co. I'm going to show you the French Crush one. Now, as you can see, it looks, I don't want to say a little gritty in there, but that's okay. It still breaks down everything beautifully, and it is very, very, it's just very, very quick. Not emulsifying, but it breaks down. Now, essentially with the butter, what you really want to do is just, I use a fingernail's worth, okay? But with your small beards, you may want to use like a pinky size, just with the fingernail. What I do is just get a little in there, just to show you. That's just for demonstration purposes only. I put it in, you know, my other hand. Okay? And then you break it down by just rubbing it together. See, just a couple little swipes. All right? Get it through your hands, and you just work it into your beard like you do beard oil, or if you decide to use it, beard balm. But for your small beards, you don't need beard balm because they're just basically like there to help control the flyaways. Seriously, they really are. This will help, you know, provide nutrition, it'll help provide, you know, light hold, and it will help the growing process because it's going to do wonderful things for your man mane. Now, speaking of that, let's talk about cleaning your man mane, all right? Your beard hair grows differently than your head hair, so you need specific things in order designed to help with the beard. You don't want to use, you know, shampoo and conditioner that you use for your head because it's going to dry out your beard. It's going to strip out the vital oils and nutrients and everything else you need from your beard. You want stuff, and here's a great example, like with Badass Beard Care, Chuck's Hogwash. You know, granted, this you can use for hair, beard, and body, but you want stuff that's specifically designed for your beard. Now, I only really give it a huge wash twice a week. I co-wash, which is basically a general conditioning wash, anywhere from 4 to 5 times a week. I do. Now, for your small beards, you really don't want to worry about beard soap. You know, that's out there as well. Concentrate on just getting you a good beard wash. Some big box retailers have some okay stuff, but if you can't read what's on the label and know what's on there, you really don't want to be putting it in your beard. You just don't. Do some quick YouTube searches if you can when you're, you know, at the store. Just look into it before you buy it, put it on your beard, and destroy what you're working with. You know, so there's 4 of them to get through week 2. Now let's go on to number 5. I call it kind of grooming tools, okay? your beard's just not going to grow in and lay flat and do whatever. You're going to need some stuff to help it go along. Some of the most common things are just like, seriously, they call it a beard comb. It's a little sandalwood comb I picked up at Walmart for like 10 bucks. It's got your finer teeth and it's got like the wider things going through. And you just work it through, and it also helps exfoliate your skin when it's really, really small with a little stubble. And that's a huge part with beard itch, is all that stuff getting caught in there that normally you would be shaving out and doing all that wonderful stuff. You want a Boar's bristle brush, and like I said, I showed this in week 1. I love this one by Royal Beardsman just because of the curve like that. It just really gets in there, it contours to your cheeks, and it helps going through. Now, the other added benefit of a Boar's bristle brush is it's moving the blood flow around, and it's sending signals that, hey, we need to go here, hey, we need to help here, hey, we need to do this. These things are great, and these things are awesome. The other things that a lot of people talk about are like Kent combs. I'll be honest with you, I can't justify spending 50 bucks for a top quality comb. I know this is going to cause heart attacks for everybody out there, but I found one at Walmart by Conair. It cost me like 5 bucks. All right, I bought a couple of them just because sometimes when I'm cleaning it off after, I've pushed a little too hard on the tines and broken them. As you can see, there's the wide and the fine tooth in there, and it really, really helps just going through the beard, clearing out the dead hairs and helping, you know, keep everything straightened up. So you're going to want to look into those to help keep things going through, not to mention the additional thing of making you look good. Now, the last tip I have for you is the same as the first. Just leave it alone. Don't trim it. Don't mess with it. It's the end of week 1, the beginning of your week 2. Granted, I'm uploading this video late, so you're about halfway through week 2. Don't trim. Don't play with it. Don't straighten it up. Don't do any of that yet. You're not at that point. Just leave it alone. Let it grow. I know I said 6. 1 was twice, so you could basically say here's 5 tips. All right, those are my things for you for week 2. You know, just let it alone. Keep using beard oil. Introduce beard butter at night. Introduce a beard wash and co-wash. And get you some stuff to, you know, groom it up and get it all evened out looking great. All right, guys. Now, here's the fun part for me of this video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I mean, especially for you longtime guys, you know, what tips can you add? Leave them in the comments section. You know, if you guys are going through Movember yourself for the first time and growing out beards and stuff, let me know what you're going through. Let me know what problems you're having. Let me know all that fun stuff down below. You know, let's help each other out. Okay, now we're going to hit the wrap up. So for you first-time viewers of the channel, I told you it was going to be weird when we do things a little differently, right? Wasn't lying. So I really, really hope I earn, you know, your subscription today. I hope I earn more of your time. If not, look, thank you so much for the time you gave me. I really do appreciate it. Now, for you first-time viewers who didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down, yeah, there. It's going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the notification icon or the bell icon, whatever you want to call it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Yeah, I believe over here. Either way, it's going to be on one of the 2 sides. I think I screwed that up, but no big deal. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Welcome to Movember 2019, week 2. Basically 5 little tips to help get you through this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.